Hi there, students. A worrywart. A worrywart. Okay, this is a person who's always worrying about everything. Maybe they're a bit of a fusspot because very often the things that they're worrying about are absolutely insignificant. Don't be such a worrywart. Everything's going to work out all right. Okay, so a worrywart, somebody who's always worrying. Yeah, I have to admit it. Personally, I'm a bit of a worrywart. I worry about absolutely everything, even small details, which don't need worrying about. But this is part of the definition of a worrywart, a worry guts. Somebody who's always worrying about things. So a person who tends to worry, but especially about small, insignificant details. Yeah, so a worrywart. A wart is a growth, particularly a little growth on your hands or a verruca on your feet or on your face. It's just a little bit. Normally I get warts under my armpits, believe it or not. But these are like little growths of skin, but they're not cancerous. They're caused by a viral infection. And that's a wart. So a worrywart. Well, is a person who's always worrying, or worry guts. I think this is alliteration. There are examples of this in the 1930s and 1940s, so it's been around for about 100 of years. Somebody who's a bundle of nerves, who's always worrying about things, but they're always worrying about unimportant things. Yeah, it's a compulsive worrier. Yeah, they're needlessly worrying. They're fretting about everything. Normally worry one word, but it could be two. It's the last time I ever go on holiday with John. He's just such a worrywart. I know I seem like a worrywart, but we must be sure that everything is done absolutely correctly. A nervous Nelly. Yeah, a worrywart, somebody who's just worrying about every single tiny detail. Things that are not important. Just don't listen to him. It's all going to be fine. He's a habitual worrier. He's just such a worrywart. Yeah. Somebody who is always thinking about problems and difficulties or troubles or the things that are going to go wrong. This is somebody who needs control over every element in their life, and they can't deal with things in the moment. Well, they can, but they don't think that they can. So a worrywart is somebody who's always thinking that unfortunate things may happen. Yeah, but ridiculously small and insignificant ones. So a worrywart is always worrying needlessly. They don't have a reasonable justification for all these worries, and that's what makes them a worrywart. Yeah. They're always worrying about things. So yeah, don't worry excessively. Don't be a worrywart. It's not good for you. Yeah, just relax, chill out, and don't worry. So let's see origin. Let's see. I think the wart bit is alliteration of this W, worrywart. It rolls quite nicely off the tongue, and I think that's the idea. But it's somebody who's always worrying. And then formality. I think this word a worrywart is probably more American than British, but I think the British understand this and might even use it as well. So formality, a worrywart. For informality, yeah, I'm going to go for a 4. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, use it in a semi-formal writing. Something very formal, definitely not. Okay, so don't be such a worrywart. There's no need to be in control of absolutely anything. Yeah, it makes you a pain in the ass because you're worried about things that it's not really relevant if they go wrong. Yeah, we just fix it. Yeah, if we run out of batteries, we'll go and buy some more batteries. Yeah, a worrywart, somebody who's always worrying about everything and anything. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A worrywart.